Hey guys, welcome to Dainty Bite. If you love cabbage, there's a good chance you're gonna love this Malfouf recipe. It's a traditional Middle Eastern dish, and this is how I make it. This dish is especially nice in the winter time. It's so cozy and comforting, lemony, and so good. I start by prepping 2 small cabbages. I cut in half. Remove the hard part just like you see here. You can cut it 4 ways if the cabbage is very large. In that case, you're gonna need only 1 cabbage. And here I soaked 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. You can use medium grain rice if you prefer, but I'm happy with using the jasmine rice. I wash and I soak for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna drain. Add 1 pound of chuck meat or a high fat content meat. Add some spices, salt, black pepper, allspice and cinnamon. And as I do with all the recipes, I'll leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then mix the whole thing. I like the filling to have a generous amount of meat, so this ratio is perfect. And the fat in the meat is gonna add so much good flavor to the cabbage. Now that the filling is ready, I set it aside and work on the cabbage. And here I have a pot of boiling water. I'm gonna add half the cabbage and I'm gonna start peeling the layers. The point here is to soften the cabbage a little bit so that it's easier for me to roll. 20 seconds in the boiling water, that's all it needs. You can see it's getting softer. I remove and I drain and I finish the rest just like so. The last thing I want to do before I start rolling is prep 1 whole head of garlic. I'm gonna separate the cloves but leave the shell on. I'll show you in a little bit how you're gonna add it to the dish. This is actually how you're gonna roll the cabbage. If the leaf is too big, you're gonna cut it into 2 to 3 pieces depending on the size. Remove the hard part in the middle. You're not gonna use it. And you're gonna start rolling. You're gonna start rolling, and the filling you don't add more than 3/4 of a tablespoon. You're gonna start rolling from one side and leave the other side open. Try not to overstuff with the filling. This is about right. I'm gonna show you a couple. And if you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Leave a little bit of an empty space inside the cabbage with no filling. I'm still working on rolling the cabbage, but at this point I can add the garlic just in a random manner, and I continue rolling the rest of the cabbage. And the garlic is gonna add great flavor. When you're done with rolling the cabbage, you're gonna add some salt, boiling water, Try to cover it, barely cover it with boiling water. Top with the plate so that everything stays in place. Cover, and you're gonna get it back to a boil. Cook on medium to medium-low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. And you're gonna end up with the most delicious, tender Malfouf. You're gonna add some lemon juice to serve, and it's gonna be a treat for the whole family. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!